In this question, we are asked to find the integer values that satisfied the following inequality. Now, the first thing we need to think about is integer values. These are whole numbers. So we're trying to find whole numbers that satisfy this inequality. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split this into two sides. So my first side, I'm going to take the left-hand side, which is the 20 plus 2n is less than 5n. And then I'm going to take the right-hand side, which is the fact that 5n is less than or equal to n plus 72. So I've actually got two inequalities that I'm going to deal with separately. So let's start with the one on the left-hand side. I'm going to rearrange this to get n as a subject. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2n from both sides, which is going to give me 20 is equal to 3n. And then lastly, I'm going to divide by 3 to get n on its own. So I get that n is bigger than 20 over 3, which can also be written as n is bigger than 6.6 recurring. Now let's have a look at the right-hand side. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to start by subtracting n. So this is going to give me 4n is less than 72. And then I can divide by 4 to give n is less than or equal to 18. So if I have a look at these two sides of my inequality, I know that n has got to be bigger than 6.6 recurring, and it's got to be less than or equal to 18. So what I'm looking for is all of the whole numbers in between these that satisfy this inequality. So I know that 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are all between 6.6 recurring and 18. And we include the 18 because we've got that little equal sign on the inequality on that right-hand side.